Girl, I love it when we do it, turn you on, shawty. Tell me if I'm wrong.
What's poppin' YouTube? It's your girl Kyla, and I'm here today to show you guys how I lay my wigs. So let's get right into it. Step 1 is lay your edges back. You definitely want to make sure that you're not putting your edges on the wig cap and you're laying them back properly so you won't rip your edges out when you take the wig cap off. So step 2 is applying the stocking cap, and I put stocking in all caps, you guys, because I did not use a regular wig cap, the ones that you get from the beauty supply store. I actually used a stocking cap because I feel like they lay down on my forehead better and they help the wig look like it's more scalp-like. But that's just my opinion. So getting into step 3, we're going to go ahead and apply the lace tint. As you guys saw, I just used an airbrush tanning in a brown color, and it literally does the same thing as lace tint. Step 4, you're going to apply the Got2b spray, and this is just what keeps your wig cap on your head. Then we're going to go ahead and blow dry it. And I saw on a few YouTube channels that you alternate between the hot and cold temperature. I don't know what that does, but it definitely helped you guys. It made a difference, and I tried this for the first time, and it seemed to work. Step 6, we're going to go ahead and cut the lace, and this is a very, very important step, y'all. I use scissors, but a lot of people use the razor for your eyebrows. That definitely helps too. And now we're going to go ahead and apply the glue, and you guys are going to see in a second that I'm going to apply 2 layers, one of this glue and one of the Ghost Bond. So after you're done applying your glue and your glue is dry, you're going to go ahead and clean off the glue residue that's on your forehead. And I would probably say this glue is like an 8 out of 10. And now we're going to go ahead and blow dry and make sure that glue is all the way dried, and we're going to alternate between hot and cold like I mentioned before, just to make sure that everything is laid properly. And now we're going to go in and actually put on the wig.
Maybe I just don't got what you need. If you need I'm just trying to make it to the end, you know. Think we need to have a sun adventure. I can't even find a combination.
When you're fitting the wig to your forehead before you glue it down, especially when this is a wig that you have already installed before and the lace is cut, you want to make sure that you're putting the wig at the proper spots on your forehead. You don't want one side to be lower than the other, and you want to make sure that you have enough space for your edges as well. So once your lace is ready to go and it's laid, you can go ahead and wrap the elastic band around your lace, and we can get to styling the hair. I'm going to go ahead and add some foaming mousse just to lay everything down, and then I'm going to go in and brush everything down, make sure it's nice and laid, and then we're going to go in with the hot comb. And y'all, a hot comb is super important if you want your wig to lay super flat. This was something that I used to skip over. I used to wonder, like, why are my wigs not as laid as the ones on Instagram? But y'all, I invested in a hot comb, and as y'all can see, I've been using that guy up. I used it on my burgundy wig, and y'all, you can still see the color on it. I literally use my hot comb not only on the top part, but also running it through the hair to make sure it gets nice and sleek and straight, because I am going to straighten it after this. Now that my hair is all hot combed and ready to go, I'm going to go ahead and part it down the middle because I'm doing a middle part this time. like I said, I'm just gonna go in and flat iron my hair. Y'all, don't talk about the flat ironing technique I have. I just go in, pick pieces, and just flat iron it, and it seems to work out, because y'all are gonna see in a second it turned out really nice. And as you guys can see, I'm going in with my hot comb again just to make sure everything is super, super laid, and it is. So now I'm going to go in with a little more foaming mousse just to make sure everything is laid, no flyaways, no anything. And it's super laid, y'all. Y'all can tell. You can see. But just to give it that extra oomph, this is an optional step. You guys can go in with a wax stick. And now I'm just going to comb it down. And I'm pretty sure that's as flat as it's going to get, y'all. So now I'm going to go in and I'm going to go ahead and do my baby hairs. This is one of my favorite parts, and I'm actually trying a new product on my edges this time. It's the same product that I always use. It's an edge control. Most of the time I use Got to Be glue because it stays longer, but I decided that I wanted to try something to make it look a little softer. So I'm trying a new baby hairstyle. Normally I go like dramatic and I do like 2, 3 on each side, but this time I'm only doing 1. So stay tuned and y'all are going to see how it turned out. So now that my baby hairs are done, I'm going to wrap them away with some edge wrapping paper. And I'm just going to brush all the rest of my hair down. So after about 15 minutes, I'm able to unwrap the paper. And as you guys can see, everything looks laid and it looks really good, y'all. But if there are a few pieces of glue, you can go ahead and step 8 is just clean your forehead of any residue with the alcohol. I just went in with the alcohol and Q-tip and it pretty much did the job. And our last and final step, you guys, is to just go in and cut off any excess lace that is on your wig. If there's any pieces of lace that are just sticking out, especially the ones that don't have any hair on them, go ahead and just snip those off, y'all. It'll look 10 times better, I promise you. But yeah, guys, I'm pretty much done and it looks really good. I'm really happy at how it turned out. My edges look a lot softer with using the edge control over the got-to-be. Sometimes the got-to-be makes it look a little harsh, but this is the final product, y'all. I love it. But I also decided to go in and give them a little bit of curl. I really like my hair curled over straight. I just feel like it looks a lot better. So I'm gonna go in and wand curl all of my hair and I'm gonna show you guys the finished product. So boom, y'all, this is how it turned out. I wanted to go for a nice loose curl, and also I'm gonna vouch for getting a wand curler as well because I really love the way my curls look. And as you guys can see, I'm feeling myself. I think it's really cute, and I also went in with the curling wand just to make sure that everything was laid. I like my wigs being as laid as possible, y'all, so I do pretty much every step in the book. But this is the final look, y'all. It looks so amazing. I'm so glad you guys were able to see how it turned out with me because this is one of the better jobs that I've done, to be honest, y'all. But thank you guys for watching, and I will see you guys in the next one. Make sure you guys subscribe to my channel if you are not already and be a part of Kiss Gang. We're gonna be the Littest Gang on YouTube. But I'm gonna see you guys in the next video. Peace.
I can see it in your eyes when you feeling my vibes, baby. You ain't gotta lie.